Start by removing the old fabric and padding from the chair base using a staple remover. Trace your chair base onto the new foam and cut out. Scissors work well for this 1-inch foam, but an electric knife would be required for foam that is thicker. Next, cut batting and fabric larger than the base. For this 1-inch foam, I'll cut about 2 inches for the batting and 4 inches larger for the fabric. If you are using thicker foam, you will need more material to work with. Lay fabric wrong side up onto the work surface. Center your batting, foam, and chair base onto the fabric. Fold the batting up and trim even with the base. Beginning on the front side of the chair, staple the fabric evenly across the center, leaving about 3 inches loose at the corners. Rotate the base to the back side and tightly stretch the fabric up and over the back. Again, staple across the center, leaving about 3 inches loose at the corners. Repeat these steps on all sides, then go back for the corners. Beginning at one of the corners, stretch the corner up and staple as you go, tucking in the excess fabric as you work. Repeat on all corners.